oil start to crack. Look at that. That's nice. Jumbo, Nato and Mutune. Today we're going to make Ugali, or Ukal, which is made from maize flour and water. Can you get a shot of the water, Mike?
My name is not Mike.
So we're gonna get the water to a roaring boil, and once that happens, we'll show you what to do. We'll be right back. Nice. Okay, we've got the butter mixed in. I'm just going to go ahead and dump about 2 handfuls of this stuff in there. And then we're going to just start going. We're going to just give it the business. Watch out. Stuff is splashing.
Yeah, slow. Baby.
It's all right. Now see, I don't need comments from the director. All right, if you could just dump in a little bit more. Thank you, Mike.
My name is not Mike.
Okay. There we go. All right, here we go. This is where the rubber meets the road.
No, just slow down. Mister.
You just want to get all the stuff mixed in so there's no bumps and lumps. And this is where you really just start to give it hell. Looking a little dry here, Mike.
Babe, do I need to take this?
Are you serious? Oops, we lost a little bit there. That happens. Escaped.
Is it really dry?
I'm looking a little dry. Just give me a smidge. That's right. There we go. Oh yeah, see that? Now we're cooking with gas. Speaking of cooking with gas, let's just reduce that heat a little bit. Oh yeah. This is where my favorite part here is when, oops, we got another, oof. You can smell the skin burning there. Okay. This is technically, in my opinion, would be done. Okay. We got it all mixed in. We're tapping it down a little bit. You can see this. It might get in there. It's nice and smooth around the edges. Yeah. Steaming time. We're going to put that lid on. We're going to keep it on medium.
Well, how long are we steaming?
5 minutes. Depends on who you talk to, but I say 5 minutes. Is the camera on me or just on my Wiko? 5 minutes steam. We're going to do a light mix again. 2 minutes steam.
No, 5.
No. 2 minutes. And then we're going to do the flip. Stay tuned for that. Welcome back. We have got several things going on the Jiko here. This sufraria is full of cacao. Ooh, did you see the steam? That means it's steamed. Sorry, we got some onions here. Let's stay on top of it. All right, look at this. We're gonna get the Wiko a little wet along with the counter. Just gonna kind of poke around. Let's do a quick mix. Ooh, yeah, we didn't have to mix it. It was perfect.
Yeah, you do have to mix it.
All right, we'll mix it. I like to bring it towards me. That way I can really see what's being done. See that? That is smooth. Smooth.
Yeah, you've been mixing the same area, the same
Okay,
one.
no. Mike, can we get turn her microphone off, Mike? Okay.
Turn his microphone on.
Okay. There we go.
No, you've been mixing the same one area.
That is perfect. So it's a little sticky. So I'm going to get the Wiko. Can you get a shot of the Wiko getting into the water, Mike? Okay.
My name is not. Look at me. My name is not Mike.
Mike's the camera guy. You're the director that's talking too much. Oh gosh, hold on.
Baby, remove the cow.
The karate is full of onions. Okay. That's perfect.
No, it's not. Mix it.
Having Some creative differences with my director here.
Creative differences with a creative director.
Yeah, there we go. Okay.
And not just once.
See
like,
how I'm getting the
keep
flip going? That's showing you that everything's getting mixed, and it's going to be smooth. Okay. What's so funny? All right. Stop. All right. Now look at this. See that? It's butter.
Huh?
Smooth like butter.
Butter.
Butter. Okay. So we're gonna go 2 minutes on the second steam, and stay tuned for the flip. Okay, I'm gonna reduce the heat on this. We got. Oh yeah. Did you see the steam?
Yeah,
Did you
but
get the steam, Mike?
I think that's, baby, first of all, stop calling me Mike.
All right. This has been steaming. Let me just get a little.
But remember, it has to be no steam trapped.
That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of checking the edges. And what you do is you give it a few pokes, because you've got to make sure. Now, if we didn't have this stuff going over here, you could hear the whistles.
The what?
The whistles. There's whistles that come through. Can you get in there and can you hear it? It's like snap, crackle, pop. Yeah.
It's like what?
That's the steam action.
It's like what?
Snap, crackle, pop.
We don't know what you're saying.
I know, it's a thing. Now.
No. That's okay, it's not cooked.
I'm flipping it.
Yeah, but it's not
No,
cooked.
the flip.
Jiggle off.
Because I don't want an open flame if this thing drops into the open flame. This is the Anna flip.
The Anna flip.
Yes.
Mom, did you hear that?
So what you do
Uh-oh.
is you dump it into your hand and you drop it back in, just like that.
That didn't burn you?
No.
Oh my God! Do you remember the flip I did that I threw up in the air and you had to catch?
Yeah. So anyway.
That didn't burn you?
No.
Look at you! Proud! Gimme!
Well, I
Gimme!
had
Gimme!
I had to do two hands. It's kind of amateur, but
It was
it
the
is now-
Anna flip.
it is now.
No,
ready
that
to
is too much heat.
Oh, I know. So now we're gonna steam. We're almost on low. Let's get these things back in action. We're gonna steam this for another 2 minutes.
And what's that for?
This?
Uh-huh.
This is for the rest of the meal.
Which is what?
It's called.
It's called what?
I don't know. You say it.
What is it called?
Bachelor dinner.
Eggs?
Eggs, onion, and normally we have tomatoes, but not tonight. We decided to not use tomatoes, and that's it. So let's get that cranking. We really got to get these things cooking. Okay, it's time for the moment of truth. See that steam? All right.
Why do you like a steam so much?
Well, the steam shows you that it's steaming. Okay, so now we're going to just flip it onto the plate like so. And do a little presentation. All right. This is a shaping. Can you get the camera on the food?
Why do you have to beat it up so much?
This is it's a way to.
You actually shaped it well,
Yeah.
like in pottery class.
All right. That is shaped and plated. I have this little special thing that sits right on top. I'm gonna get a little.
No, it doesn't need to do
I'm gonna get a
that?
little wet in here, just so that it doesn't
For
stick.
what?
Because you don't want it to stick
It's
to
not
the...
gonna stick. It's gonna steam in there. Mitchell, what is it?
Okay. That is how you do ugali. We're gonna finish up these onions. We're gonna add some eggs, a little bit of spice, and then we will be on the table. Oh God, it's a mess.